Have you ever wondered how your phone knows exactly which video you want to watch next? Or how a self-driving car navigates a busy street? That's not Magic Kit's artificial intelligence, or AI, and while it might sound complicated, the basic idea is surprisingly simple. Let's break it down. First, what even is AI? At its core, AI is a field of computer science dedicated to building machines that can think, learn, and make decisions a bit like us. But instead of relying on intuition, AI uses data, patterns, and clever algorithms. Think of data as the fuel for AI. For an AI to learn something new, it needs tons of examples. Say you want to teach an AI to recognize a cat. You show it thousands, even millions of cat pictures. The AI studies these images, learning to identify key features like pointy ears, whiskers, and a tail. The more data it gets, the smarter it becomes, but data alone isn't enough. It needs instructions, and that's where algorithms come in. An algorithm is just a set of rules that tells the AI what to do with all that data. One of the most common types is machine learning, where the algorithm can actually improve itself automatically as it gets more information. For more complex jobs, like understanding human speech or creating realistic images, we use something called a neural network. This is inspired by the human brain. Imagine a web of interconnected dots, or neurons, organized in layers. When you feed data into the first layer, each neuron processes it and passes it on to the next. As the data flows through, the network adjusts itself to get better at the task. This whole process is called training. Training an AI is a lot like teaching a pet a new trick. It's all about trial and error. When the AI gets something right, it's rewarded. When it makes a mistake, say, calling a dog a cat, it adjusts its internal connections to avoid that mistake in the future. Over millions of repetitions, it gets incredibly accurate. This advanced training method is what we call deep learning. Once an AI is trained, it can make its own predictions. Show it a new picture of a cat, and it will analyze the features, compare them to everything it's learned, and confidently say, "Yep, that's a cat." It doesn't understand what a cat is in the way we do, but it's an expert at recognizing the patterns. Of course, AI has its limits. It can only know what its data has taught it, which means it can sometimes inherit human biases. It doesn't have emotions or common sense, and it's not truly conscious. So why does all this matter? From revolutionizing healthcare and transportation to making our entertainment more personalized, AI is helping us solve huge problems and create amazing new tools. It's not here to replace us, but to assist us. And the more we understand how it works, the better we can shape a future where humans and AI work together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech deep dives.